Hello friends, so today we'll learn something new. Now, can you solve 48 divided by 6 into 2 whole divided by 4 equals to what? So generally how we'll solve? So first we write 48 as it is and divide, we multiply 6 into 2. 6 to the how much? 12. And sorry, it is 2 and divide by 2, and then we will do 48 divided by 2, so 12 fours are 48. Okay, so 4 divided by 2, then answer will be 2. But is this correct? No, this is not a correct, this is not a correct answer. This is not correct answer. Okay, this is not correct answer. Why? So let's learn why it is not correct. Hello, so for solving this question, that is 48 divided by 6 into 2 whole divided by 2. So how we'll solve this? So we have to apply BODAMAS rule. We have to apply BODAMAS rule. Okay, what is BODAMAS rule? So this rule says while solving such type of question, we have to follow the steps. Steps means B stands for bracket, O stands for order or power, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So we have to follow these steps to solve such type of questions. Means if we have first division, so we'll apply division rule first, and then multiplication, and then addition, or else. Okay, so what is BODMAS? Okay, BODMAS means we have to follow these steps to solve such type of questions. So B stands for bracket. Okay, so brackets. So brackets means bracket covers like this bracket, this bracket, this, etc. Okay, now what do you mean by O? So O stands for order. What is order? So you can say this power. Okay, now you will understand power. For example, 2 power 2, 4 power x, root 2. Now D stands for division. You know the division means we have to follow these steps. First we have to remove bracket, and then order, and then division. Division is this. Okay, now what is next? Next is M. M stands for multiplication. Okay, this is multiplication. A stands for addition. Okay, now next S. S stand for subtraction. Okay, subtraction. This is addition and this is subtraction. whenever we solve such type of question, we have to first remove bracket and then power and then divide and then multiplication and then addition, and on the last we do the subtraction. So we have to follow the BODAMAS rule. Okay, now we'll solve this question. So let's write question again. 48 divided by 6 into 2 divide by 2. So first, what, we don't have bracket, we don't have power. Okay, order. So division, we have division. So first we'll do division. So 48, so 48 6 8s are 48, so will write 8 into 2. Okay, but we have the division 2, so we'll divide again. So we'll divide 2 4s are 8, and then we'll multiply. So the correct answer is 8. This is how we solve such type of question. We'll simplify more complicated sums in next video. Okay, then you will get clarity of this rule. Okay.